Hey guys, Alex here. Welcome back to my channel. So we are back for another house tour. I feel like I haven't done one of these in a while. So this is a two-story newly built house in Xavier Estates Phase 2. So it's just a couple of minutes drive from the church, from the clubhouse. It's very near the Phase 1 gate and the main gate as well. So this house has a lot area of 359 square meters and a floor area of 287 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, plus 1 powder room. So what I like about this house is that its master bedroom is on the first floor, because I'm one of those people who don't really like going up and down the stairs. So it's very convenient, especially for those who have the elderly staying with them. So you won't have to go to the second floor just to sleep in your bedroom, because there's a bedroom, a huge bedroom on the first floor. It also has a 2-car parking space, and look at this. So it has a pocket garden at the front of the house. And there's a lot of space at the side of the house as well. So you can really do a lot of things with your garden. You can enhance it, put maybe more plants, more trees. You can put a vegetable garden at the back, barbecue station. So there's a lot that you can do. So let's go to the inside of the house. So welcome to the property. So this is the living room. So as you walk into the house, you will be greeted by this space over here. And just look at the glass windows. So the windows of this house are from floor to ceiling. So it really allows a lot of natural light to come inside the house. And you feel like you're outside even though you are indoors because of all this glass. And then over here is the master bedroom. And it also has its own toilet and bath. And just right beside it, there's also another toilet and bath. I know this is just a powder room. So over here is the powder room for the guests. So it's very accessible from the living room area. And this is the dining area, and this is the kitchen. So the kitchen has an island. It's already complete with overhead and underhead cabinets as well. And then there's a small pantry. There's a pantry over here. So it's really a great way to just put great place to stock your groceries in if the space in the kitchen is not enough, and the kitchen cabinet is not enough. So you can use this space to stock your groceries and also maybe some of your cleaning materials. And then let's go to the second floor. Welcome to the second floor. So we are here at the landing area of the second floor. And would you look at this huge space over here? If you put a partition in here, you can really make this into another huge bedroom. So this can even be your master bedroom. Another master bedroom, since there's already one on the first floor. Or you can make this into an entertainment area or a workspace, study area for your kids. So you can transform this space into whatever you want it to be, because there's really a lot of space to go around. And then This area also connects to the balcony. So this space connects to the balcony. So you can come out here, maybe set up a small table over here and just have coffee in the morning or a beer at night. So it would be also a good place to chill, and it's just connected to your extra space, like or maybe entertainment area over here. And then we have another bedroom. So there are actually 3 bedrooms on the second floor. So 3 bedrooms on the second floor. They are all good sized bedrooms. 1 bedroom on the first floor. And as like I mentioned, there's an extra space. There's extra space over there which you can convert into another bedroom or entertainment space or workout space. So all the bedrooms are actually good-sized bedrooms. They already come with cabinets. So there is already cabinets for your clothes. You just really have to move in. It's already ready. And then we have the second bedroom. So the 2 bedrooms here, similar in size. So this is the second bedroom. The colors of the house, all neutral tones. And then there's a toilet and bath over here. And then for the third bedroom, it has its own toilet and bath. And that's it for the virtual tour of today's property. If you would like to check out this property in person, just let me know. My contact details are in the description box below. So just give me a call so I can show you this listing. And if you have other questions or other things, topics perhaps you would like for me to vlog about, then just let me know. Comment it in the comment section below. And if you would like for me to if you would like to be updated of the newest listings, newest projects in Davao and CDO, let me know as well so that I can add you to my mailing list.